Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in the Indian car scene, the 2025 Maruti 800 Duo. Yes, the iconic Maruti 800 is making a grand comeback, and it's not just nostalgia, it's innovation with a legacy twist. Design, retro soul, modern touch. The 2025 Maruti 800 Duo blends classic design cues with a sleek, modern edge. It retains the compact silhouette and minimalistic charm of the original 800, but now sports sharper lines, LED DRLs, a redesigned front grille, and alloy wheels. The Duo badge reflects its dual-fuel capability, while subtle chrome accents and an updated rear design give it a futuristic feel without losing its retro identity. Interior, compact comfort with smart tech. Inside, the 800 Duo offers a refreshing mix of simplicity and smart features. The dual-tone dashboard brings a clean, airy feel to the cabin. Expect a touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, digital instrument cluster, and improved ergonomics. Though compact, the seats offer better cushioning and space management, making it ideal for city drives and short trips. Performance, dual-fuel efficiency. A highlight of the Maruti 800 Duo is its dual-fuel engine, petrol and CNG, offering flexibility and fuel efficiency. Powered by a refined 796 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine, the Duo is expected to produce around 38 to 40 HP, maintaining its status as an affordable city commuter. With Maruti's latest fuel injection technology and lightweight platform, it promises a mileage of over 30 km per kilogram on CNG and 24 km per liter on petrol. Safety and features: small car, big value. Maruti has equipped the 800 Duo with essential safety features including dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and high-strength body structure. Additional features like power windows, central locking, and steering-mounted controls make it a surprisingly well-rounded package in the entry-level segment. Price and launch details: budget game-changer. Expected to launch in late 2025, the Maruti 800 Duo will target budget-conscious buyers, with an estimated starting price of 3.99 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. With Maruti's trusted service network and low maintenance costs, this could redefine the small car market in India once again. Conclusion: is it worth the hype? The 2025 Maruti 800 Duo is more than just a car, it's a revival of a cultural icon. With modern upgrades and practical engineering, it's set to win hearts once again. Stay tuned to Pro Wheelhouse for the latest updates and first drive impressions.